How to solve battery charging problems on laptops. Are you encountering battery problems, such as battery is not powering the laptop or it cannot be charged? In this video, we will guide you through the troubleshooting process. First, let's find out the root cause. Is the battery not charged, or is the battery not supplying the power? If the battery cannot be charged properly, here are some tips to try. To avoid any compatibility issues, please use ASUS AC adapter and power cables which came with your laptop to charge the battery. Next, you can check the battery wizard in My ASUS. In Battery Wizard, you can activate battery health charging and choose the battery mode that you prefer. To get your laptop battery fully charged, you can select Full Capacity mode here. Restart your laptop and check if the battery is charging. If you haven't used the laptop for a while, you may consider charging it overnight. If your laptop battery cannot be normally charged and supplies no power, please continue trying the following steps. Perform a hard reset. Remove all the connected external devices. Power off the laptop. Remove the AC adapter. Press and hold the power button for 40 seconds to perform a hard reset. Plug the AC adapter back in, turn on the laptop, and check if the problem is solved. We also suggest you update both the BIOS and the drivers, and execute Windows Update to improve your system stability. If your battery problem persists, run a hardware diagnosis to check if the issue is related to the hardware problems. You can also contact ASUS Customer Service Center for further assistance. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel, like the video and share your comments. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.